Creating a belly cast is a unique way to capture the beautiful moment of pregnancy. It's a fun, easy project that can be done right at home. Let's explore how you can create this memorable keepsake of your journey to motherhood. Before diving in, gather all necessary materials. You'll need plaster bandages, petroleum jelly, a drop cloth, scissors, a bowl of warm water, and sandpaper. Choose a comfortable, well-ventilated space to work in. Cover the floor with a drop cloth to catch any drips or spills. Cut the plaster bandages into strips, some long, some medium, and a few short ones for the curved areas. Apply a generous layer of petroleum jelly over the belly and chest area to protect the skin and help in the removal of the cast. Now for the fun part. Dip a plaster strip into the warm water, squeeze out the excess, and apply it smoothly over the belly. Overlap each strip and smooth out any bubbles or wrinkles. Start from the sides and work your way around, ensuring even coverage. The belly button makes a charming centerpiece, so mold the plaster carefully around it. It's important to breathe normally and stay as still as possible during this process. Apply at least 3 layers to ensure durability, but remember, the thicker the cast, the longer it will take to dry. Once the cast feels firm, allow it to set for about 30 minutes before gently peeling it away from the body. Let it dry completely, which may take up to 48 hours. After drying, you can smooth any rough edges with sandpaper. Now you have a beautiful belly cast, ready to be decorated or left as a stunning white sculpture, a timeless memento of your pregnancy.